we are going to make is white chocolate mousse. So milk, cream, agar-agar. I'm going to heat milk, cream and agar-agar in microwave until it is completely dissolved. So I'm going to bring it to boil so that my agar-agar is completely dissolved. Then I'm going to add it in my chocolate and melt my chocolate. So my mousse is going to be ready once I add this liquid to the chocolate and dissolve the chocolate. So the mousse is ready. Now we are going to assemble the dessert. So this is going to be our cherry dessert. I am adding a layer of cake. Now I am going to add the white chocolate mousse on top of it. Now this is going to go inside the fridge to rest for 15 minutes. Water. With the water, I am adding gelatin so that it can soak for a minute. Then I am going to microwave this. Melt my gelatin. So now, to the same, after microwaving for until it starts to boil, I am going to add little cherry crush into it and make the jelly. So you can see the mousse is already set nicely. On top of it, I'm going to add good amount of pomegranate and I'm pouring the jelly on top. Now it's going to set for half an hour inside the fridge before we finish it off. So I've left it for at least 2 hours in the fridge, so it's completely set. Now I'm going to demold it.